Something is not quite right with Mariah Carey. We've had to put her in the fridge to calm her down. And boy, when things go wrong at a Mariah Carey concert, do they go wrong? What do you think? Open the fridge or close? You decide.